So this is an area that we have, it's kind of a little island of planting right here, what we're looking at, near a building. It's circumscribed by this driveway and this building. But this is an example of how little critters, either a red squirrel or a chipmunk, can plant, in this case, a hazelnut here, right in a juniper, and then another hazelnut here. These are all volunteers or cached hazelnuts by an animal that sprouted and started growing. So what we've done is, you can see, we've cleared around these plants. Just the ability to recognize them is helpful, and we'll see how far they go. And we're happy to have the juniper interrupted. It's just a low-growing juniper that we put here to stabilize this hillside. Here we have cornelian cherry, nut pine, seaberry, willow. We let the willows volunteer to stabilize this slope. Plum. Back further we have gumi and Korean bush cherry or Nanking cherry. Seaberry right here, which is a runner in extension. They self-propagate through runners. A lot of goldenrod in here. Black locust and more nut pine. Honeyberry right there. So it's interesting to see how the system can start to self-propagate with the help of these other animals. And all it takes is the ability to recognize it and then cut back and clear away around what you want to encourage to develop the system. And this is another example of wildlife-assisted agroforestry. Oh, and I just wanted to point out the Swede woodruff here. It's an important brewing herb, dried. It's a nice culinary herb. It's a Gallium odoratum. We did plant this, and it's still doing nicely in the shaded understory. It tolerates shade, so it's a nice plant to put in a guild. Hello, hazelnut.